webReader is a fantastic tool. Let's look at some scenarios of how you can use this set of features. First, let's look at lessons. Students like to stream and listen to lessons offline. To stream your lesson, click on the tab, and then click on Listen. If you only want to listen to part of the lesson, then highlight that area of the lesson, and click on Listen. You can also download your lesson to an MP3 file, and listen to it offline. Are you a distracted reader? If so, then we have the tools for you. First, we can use Simple View. Access your lesson, and click on the caret in the lower left corner of the webReader button. Click on Simple View. Notice that you now have the document in a plain text form. To revert back to the normal view of the lesson, click on Close. Another tool is the Page Mask. The Page Mask is a customizable window with the area above and below the window shaded out. This is similar to using a cutout window on a sheet of paper to move up and down your paper textbook. To turn off the Page Mask, click on the X. Text size not large enough? If you have low vision, but have not yet transitioned to a screen reader, the Enlarged Text feature will be a great benefit to you. To use this tool, highlight some text. The enlarged text will appear at the bottom of the screen. Let's listen. Knowing where to find learner support is essential to your success. To turn off the enlarged text, navigate back to the Enlarged Text button, and click on the Enlarged Text button again. Notice the green dot disappears. Increasing your vocabulary. If you are learning a new language, then use the translation tool. Highlight the word or phrase that you want to translate, and click on the Translate button. A pop-up will appear with the translation. For example, suppose we need to translate employ to Spanish. Highlight employ, select Spanish from the Translate tool. We now have the translation. If you bump into a word that you don't know what it means, then you can use the word lookup feature. Highlight the word, and click on the word lookup button. A pop-up will appear with a definition. For example, suppose we don't know what the word employ means. Highlight the word employer and click on word lookup. Notice that we can also listen to the definition. And there are even more features. Give it a try,